Hi everybody, it's Laura from the Unique Bluetique, and today I am demonstrating a little Spider-Man sound button. Lights up and says different phrases along with the web slinging sound effects that Spider-Man makes. I'm going to try and go through all of them, so let's just start.
Alright, it's web slinging time. This lizard needs a cage. It's true, I'm Spider-Man. Time to be a hero. Whoa, my spider sense is tingling. Alright, it's web slinging time. This lizard needs a cage.
Alright, well, we're starting to hear them over again, so I think we've gone through the whole routine. You just push down on the top there every time you want it to play, and it plays the short phrase or sound effects for you. It does require batteries. It's gonna come installed. I'm not sure how long the batteries will last for you, so you might want to have some on hand to switch out before Halloween if that's what you're getting it for. This little item came out in 2012. And that's what I have for you today. Thanks a lot for checking out my items and shopping in my eBay store, the Unique Bluetique. Have a great day.